Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Bitcoin from an exchange like Kraken to a secure hardware wallet like Arculus. Today, I'm walking you through the entire process step by step. It's straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to keep your funds safe. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your Kraken account set up and verified. If you haven't already, download and set up your Arculus wallet app on your device. Once you're logged into Kraken, head over to the Wallets or Funding section. Depending on the 2025 interface, it might be under a new tab called Assets Management. From there, select your Bitcoin wallet. Next, look for the Withdraw button. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to choose the asset, so select Bitcoin. Now, the crucial part. Enter your Arculus wallet address. To get this, open your Arculus app, go to the Receive section, and copy the Bitcoin address. Pro tip. Always verify the address by comparing it character by character to avoid any costly mistakes. Before you proceed, Kraken will likely require two-factor authentication, 2FA. Make sure it's enabled on your account for added security. It's a must in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any network fees, which could be around 0.0001 BTC or more, depending on blockchain congestion. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm Withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transaction will be broadcast to the Bitcoin network. This might take anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour, so grab a coffee and relax. Finally, hop back into your Arculus wallet app and check your balance. Your Bitcoin should appear once the transaction is confirmed. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn your Bitcoin from Kraken to your Arculus wallet. If you run into any issues, reach out to Kraken's support or double-check your wallet settings. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.